Around 550 years ago, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had predicted, Prithvi Teyache Nagaradigram Sarvatra Prachar Hoibe Moranam. So in order to fulfill this prophecy, devotees are traveling around the globe, distributing the glorious Harinama Sankirtan in every town and villages. We are Padyatris, and this is a short documentary video of all Nepal Padyatra. Hare Krishna.
While the whole world is asleep, devotees wake up at 3:30 am and offer their obeisances unto Guru Parampara as they swiftly take their morning bath for purification. Then they decorate their body and forehead with sacred tilak. Here is our Sri Sri Nitai Gaur Sundar, who are the most beautiful incarnations of Krishna and Balram at this age of Kali. The Pujari prepares for Mangala Aarti, first darshan of the supreme maintainer of the entire universe.
Sange gacchante mula bhajanam dayantat.
The bulls are also groomed and fed properly. The vegetables and bhoga materials are taken out, and devotees start cooking for the Lord with love. After cooking and offering bhoga to the Lord, devotees take sattvic and simple prasadam as a fuel for the day. Every utensil is scrubbed to perfection to again cook bhoga later. Around noon, they pack everything. Despite the restlessness and scorching sun, they continue their seva with a big smile in their face. By the time the bulls which were taken for rest are brought and the wooden yoke is fixed upon their neck, then the march of Padyatra begins forward and heavy wheels screeches in the road.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
As the Padyatra is on the move, the buffaloes grazing in the ground also glance at Padyatra. Devotees' enthusiasm for Harinam is always at its peak. These are our pillar of Padyatra. One is Radhe and another one is Shyam. They follow the bullock cart from behind, distributing Hide the books of Srila Prabhupada, and on the way, plucking flowers.
Krishna Krishna.
Ahead lies a road of no predictability. The bulls graze freely as the yoke is off their neck. Children or adult, everyone is moved by the beautiful darshan of Sri Sri Nitai Gaur Sundar. As the sunset paints the sky in hued orange, the bulls are taken back to the cart again. Again the Padyatra sets for its destination as the Harinam echoes in every corner of the area. People around gather and the Sandhya Aarati begins.
Bolun shobai, Harinam bolo. Shiva Jayo, Jayo, Gaura Chande,
Look at these small children dancing joyfully. They may not know the philosophy today,
भगवानको नाम हो त्यो पनि भगवानको नाम निस्केन भने फेरि गाह्रो छ
but decades from now on, they'll surely remember the ecstasy and positive vibes with them. The beautiful smiling face of Sri Sri Nitai Gaur Sundar. Remember the happiness brought by Hare Krishna devotees.
कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम
How the night of Krishna's Kirtan filled the night sky of their village. The barriers of language, caste and age melts away when devotees distribute sanctified prasad and distribute Prabhupada's transcendental books. The uninvited fierce winds dismantle everything. The weather tests the patience of devotees. Despite the bad weather, devotees continue their sevas. From securing the heavy bullock cart to packing all the goods in the gale to shifting the bulls to a new secure place. Amidst all this, if needed, they pull the ruts by themselves. Then the Padyatris, along with chariot and goods they carry with them, books secure in their bags, they carry themselves. In the life of Padyatris, everything changes. But the constant smile and joy they hold dear remains unchanged despite the challenges. This is not a hard labor, it is the highest ecstasy of seva, as we can find them satisfied with anything little they get. For the pleasure of Sri Sri Nitai Gaur Sundar, Srila Prabhupada and all the Vaishnav Acharyas. And this perfectional stage can be called Sharanagati. Every day they are on high enthusiasm to fulfill this mission of Srila Prabhupada.